welcome back to my channel Account Study for 11. I hope you all are good and have started studying. Now, as due to this pandemic, all the colleges are closed. We are dependent on online learning. Now, you are spending your 5 to 6 hours studying online. Now, this gets very hectic and stressful for us. Now, online learning shows some bad impact as we are on our mobile screen, on our laptop screen for hours studying. So in this video we are going to see how this bad impact influence our health, how we can resolve it and maintain balance in between. So without any delay, let's start the video. Now in your daily routine, you reserve 6 to 7 hours or 4 to 5 hours online learning because everything is online. Your study material is online. Now you are staring at your mobile phones and laptop screens can have future problems. Now what these future problems may be? First is headache. You will obviously have a very severe headache. Now these headaches can be categorized into minor headache and major headache. Now in major headache, what it can lead to migraine. Now migraine, everybody knows you have a very severe headache, very severe that you are unable to work properly because your head is very packed. That is why this headache will neither help you work out any study material or work efficiently, and neither you can solve this problem because this problem has already occurred due to your excessive use of mobile. Now, how we can resolve this headache? First is schedule no mobile phones when you are having meals or having family time. Just keep away the phone at some place, at distant place. Okay. Other you can do is keep your phone on vibration mode so that if you receive any messages or any emails with that vibrating voice, you can just check those emails and messages if anything is important and keep it aside. Okay. And other thing you can do is avoid as much as mobile you can. After studying, keep it aside. Just relax your mind, meditate for a while. You will definitely see the results. Now as you are on your mobile screens, on your laptop screens for hours, you definitely may have eye strain. Now this eye strain consists of sore eyes, dry eyes, blurred vision because you are staring at one point, that is to the screen. This should be avoided. Now what can happen if you don't avoid this, if you ignore this? You will have blurred vision. You will have glasses in future with high number, which is not good at all. Of course, you will face problems while reading any small text, while reading something far away from you. Now how we can resolve this problem? Take some intervals while you are watching your mobile. Wash your eyes. Just look at the greenery which is distant from you so that your eyes can have movements, and always avoid using phone in nights. Keep it in a separate place away from you and do not use in night because using mobile phones in night can have you like it will decrease your melatonin liquid. Okay, so avoid using it in night. Now while you are watching videos, you must be using earphones, headphones, earplugs, whatever you must be using. Now the frequency of the volume of the video you are hearing must be high. Now the voice radiations that are being transferred from mobile via headphones, earphones to your ears, it will definitely cause hearing problems for you. Now this hearing problems is very bad impact of our health. This affects our health a lot. So how we can tackle this, how we can resolve this? Try using your mobile or while watching videos, keep your mobile at a far place, turn on the volume on a high note without earphones, earplugs, headphones, whatever you are using, even with the laptop. Even if you are listening to music, listen it with a wireless cord. Do not use any sort of wires while you are listening to music, learning something online, or doing some stuff that is related to videos. Now, before this pandemic, we all used to step out of our house. We used to go to work, colleges, schools. We were having some physical exercise. Now the situation is different. We are stuck in our houses. We are dependent on online learning because everything is online. Now, due to this online learning, we can have digestive problems. Now, how these digestive problems occur? As we are on our mobile screen, laptop screen for 4 to 5 hours. We are sitting at one constant place. We are not having any movements, so we will not have a good appetite. Hungriness will be lost. Again, no physical exercise, thus leading to bloating of your body. Then you will have some sort of inactiveness while you do some other work rather than study. So how you can resolve this? You cannot avoid your online learning, but you can have some solutions for it. Now, take some intervals while you are studying. Drink some water. Keep yourself hydrated. Then take short diets. Have some dry fruits, whatever short diets you can take in these intervals. Do take that. And always have a habit of doing some physical exercise. Just at one spot, do some jogging or other stuff which is comfortable for you. But do this, don't sit at one place. Now, majority of the students must be using mobile phones in nights. Till late nights, they must be awake at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. So, they find it difficult to wake up early in the morning, have some physical exercise. Now, due to this, your physical exercise also gets disturbed. Hence, you will face future spine problems. You will have some bone related issues, inactiveness, very low level of energy. These all problems will be caused while you are using your phones till late night. So how you can resolve this? Try using your mobile till evening or in afternoon, so that you can get enough time for your body to rest. The solution for your back pain can be wake up early in the morning, have some physical exercise. Do not sit at one place. Take some interval. Have some walk in your room. Walk 2-3 steps around your house, so that there will be a bodily movement. You will not face any sprain in your back, in your neck, in your shoulders. They will have some sort of exercise. They will be they will have some movements. They will not get stuck. You will not have any pain. So do this in your interval time. Before, the situation was we were going to colleges, schools, we were meeting with our friends, we were exposed to the social contact. Now the situation is completely different. We have to maintain social distance all the time. We have to be in our house for safety measure. Now, due to this, we get irritation. Now this irritation turns into angerness. Now, how long we have to stay in the house, we don't know. How long this disease is going to go, that too we didn't know. So, to avoid this angerness, this irritation, have some video calling with your close one, with your friends, with your relatives. Develop some indoor habit, indoor hobby. If you are like painting, if you like cooking, if you like doing some sort of house cleaning or organizing your things, try doing that. It will definitely will help you to overcome this irritation, this angerness. Okay. So now this information which I have told you, just don't watch it for the sake of watching purpose. Do inculcate in your daily routine, have it in a habit, so that you will have a balance, you will keep yourself active in all this. I know this will definitely will act as a boon in your future life. So if you did like this video, do hit that like button. If you're new, subscribe to my channel, click that bell icon to get all the new notifications of my video. Share with your friends, with your relatives, with your family, whoever you want to send it. They will definitely will find it helpful if they are facing all these issues. Comment your queries, suggestions, if you have any thing new I want to do for you. Till then, goodbye.